Welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to our statistics online class. In this series of easy-to-follow videos, we break down complex statistical concepts into simple, understandable lessons. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, our classes cover everything from basic probability and data analysis to hypothesis testing, regression, and advanced topics. What you'll learn: descriptive statistics mean median, mode, variance, etc. Probability theory and distribution sampling methods and data collection, inferential statistics, confidence intervals and hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and correlation statistical software and tools. Why choose this course? Clear, step-by-step explanations, real-life examples to help you understand the concept, self-paced learning with access to videos anytime, anywhere, interactive quizzes and exercises to test your knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Let's make learning statistics fun and engaging together. Statistics online class. Statistics for beginners. Learn statistics, probability, hypothesis testing, data analysis. Thank you.